Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this. It's part of a logo, they said. They cut everything else out. I've already done it, even in their colors. Theirs might be a little tighter than mine up in here, but I think I'm close enough. So just draw an ellipse. We're going to make the first one 2 inches, and I'm going to hit P to put it in the center of the page. Now I am going to Control D and make the duplicate and make the next one 3. Control D, Control D, Control D. I think you only need 5. And you can always count your rings by going, well, you got 6. It doesn't matter if we have too many. Take a 2-point line, put it right on the center, start moving it and hold down the control button. Now, we've got 1 inch different circles, but the nudge factor is only going to be a 1/2 inch, the distance. So we're going to move that up till it meets there and then go Control D, Control D, Control D, Control D. Now we need a 2-point line, holding down the control button to get it perpendicular and hit P. That's all you really need to do. I'm going to cut this out of the way. I'm going to go ahead and group this together. That way I can remove it in a second. A lot of people will smart fill and then weld in. I don't like doing that, so we're going to grab the virtual segment delete key, leaving that outer circle. Just come inward. We did need that last part. Well, I cut out too much. Leaving that outer circle, we're going to get that sharp point. Now, because I'm grouped together, I'm going to just fill in, fill in, fill in. And now I can just take this and I'm just going to nudge it out of the way real quick. Control G to group. Let's bring in some indexing lines in the center of the page. Control D to duplicate. Move it to the center. Doesn't look like it is, but it is. And then rotate it 180 degrees. Voila. Now, if you need those same colors, all you have to do is take your color eyedropper tool would be your best bet. Just go and fill those in. What's going on there? There we go. I didn't have the outside, or you have to hit that thing perfectly. Color eyedropper, sample. See, let me zoom in here. I don't know. You zoom in sometimes and it doesn't really help. There is a no-show underneath the bucket, no-go. Then there's a border. You could put a border around it. You need the solid square. That means it's going to fill. There you have that same logo, same colors. Now theirs might be, I'm going to Control G. Theirs might be a little tighter in the center. Well, we can't really, it's hard to measure a bitmap. And the size, who says that's the size he actually wants? But I'd like to look at something. So we're at like 3.68. So because this is grouped, we can grab this. Well, that doesn't looks like mine's bigger. 3.68. 6.38. 6.38. So I think, well, now I'm thinking it's dead on. Tell you what, let's make mine black. And yeah, it's a little bit, one of them's a little bit tighter. But regardless, it's pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit, and thank you for watching.